In 2012, Jamaica marked a milestone, 50 years of independence, with celebrations hitting a crescendo from August 1 to 6. Now that the main celebratory period is over, the Jamaica 50 team is on a mission to secure permanent legacies of Jamaica's Golden Jubilee. In February, the Jamaica 50 Legacy Committee outlined a total of 20 projects that are expected to last far into Jamaica's future.
These projects represent the continuation of the mission of fulfilling the national vision as a part of the nation-building project, a secure, prosperous Jamaican society that is a place that we can all be proud to call home.
An interministerial committee has been put in place to develop plans for the flagship project. That's being chaired by the Minister of Transport, Works and Housing.
The flagship project for Jamaica 50 is the redevelopment and preservation of the National Heroes Park. The project will involve the redevelopment of this park and its environs into a cultural and economic development zone through a public-private sector partnership.
A second initiative that is to serve as a major undertaking is the construction of several educational institutions island-wide. The Middlesex Basic School in St. Elizabeth, Church of Christ Basic School in St. Mary, and Ebenezer Basic School in St. Thomas are among a total of 9 basic schools to be built. One of them, the Friendship Infant School in Westmoreland, has already been opened.
We believe that education in general holds a key to the next 50 years. But more importantly, we believe even more that early childhood education in particular holds that significant key to the next 50 years.
Redeveloping the National Heroes Park and adding to school infrastructure are the main projects, but they are among a host of others. Jamaica has a vibrant visual arts scene with the works of past and present artists occupying commonplace. One of Jamaica's foremost sculptors, Basil Watson, has been brought on board to help organize the Jamaica International Sculpture Symposium to be held this year.
International artists, mainly sculptors, will be invited to work on a specified time frame while in Jamaica, and each participant will create a monumental sculpture. The works from the symposium will be exhibited around the island before they are permanently installed.
They will become part of our national collection and help to promote a greater awareness of art among ordinary Jamaicans. Additionally, commemorative plaques are to be erected at 50 historical sites, which serve as reminders of the country's history and fight for freedom, in addition to a monument in Passage Fort, Portmore. We've had a long and illustrious music history, from mento to ska, rocksteady, reggae, dancehall, and everything in between. The Jamaica Music Museum intends to chronicle the contribution of music to the social and economic landscape through the hosting of the Jamaica Music Symposium, while the Ministry of Youth and Culture and the Sir Arthur Lewis Institute at UWI will partner to not only discuss but also showcase Jamaican music with an event dubbed 50/50. Another interesting idea, the Jamaica 50 time capsule.
A time capsule that contains items which represent Jamaica's political, social, economic, and cultural life throughout the decades of the last 50 years.
It's also to contain video, audio, and print material capturing the 50th celebrations here and in the diaspora, like the Jamaica 50 Legacy documentary and a movie to be produced through a partnership involving the CPTC, JIS, and the Sir Arthur Lewis Institute. A high point of the 50th celebrations was a Golden Jubilee Village at the National Arena from August 1 to 6. Patrons were able to indulge in everything Jamaican, including articles that will form part of the National Sports Museum. That's to be another lasting legacy of the country's milestone. And the committee intends to add another cultural center to the local landscape. The Rocky Point Community Cultural Center in Clarendon, which was destroyed by hurricane, will be rebuilt and named in honor of former Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Hugh Lawson Shearer. A coffee table publication, Jamaica's Heritage in Pictures, and a guidebook to heritage sites in Kingston are to be printed through a partnership between the Chase Fund and the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, the JNHT.
It is our hope that these tangible and intangible legacy initiatives will enhance the growth and development of the communities in which they are located, and that all citizens of Jamaica in these areas will benefit from the expanded education and social capacities that the facilities will provide.
The Jamaica 50 Pins of Pride are also still on sale, so you may contact the JCDC office in your parish, retail outlets island-wide, or pick one up right here at the JIS. Get in the mix as we move beyond 50 years as a proud nation.